What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to take a look at Decentraland Mana, currently sitting at 232. We're down about 1.4 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 4.23 billion. 24-hour volume, 164 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. Mana is once again retesting a very strong level of support in between about 231 and about 218. You can see all the support in this area where we wick down here. So this could give Mana a good opportunity to bounce. As you can see here, we broke this trend line of resistance. We came all the way up to our take profit zone at $2.80. Printed a bearish divergence. As you can see here, we created a higher high, slightly lower high in the RSI, and we created a bit of a double top pattern. We sold off. So if we measure from the bottom of the pattern all the way up to the top, take it to your point of breakout, you can see that target has been met absolutely perfectly. So we've had 3 entries with our DCA strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone. As a spot trader, brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're low leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2x. You have to double your margin. So spot trading 500, 500, 500. Low leverage 500, 500, 1000. But when you double your margin with low leverage, you're gonna have a lower break even when you start to hit your 3rd and 4th entry. So our break even is currently sitting at 246 as a spot trader. As you can see here, we created a lower low, higher low on the RSI, which can be an early signal that the bears are running out of strength, and you might see a nice bounce back to the upside. If we do come a little bit lower, I do think we have a beautiful opportunity to bounce off 219 and come up for a retest of 251 for our friend Mana. However, if we pop over to the daily time frame, we have broken out of a massive symmetrical triangle. So I do think this support here is absolutely massive and needs to hold. Otherwise, what can happen here is Mana will see a huge drop all the way down to about $1.24, which is the technical target. Let me actually drop in a line here, which is the technical target of this symmetrical triangle, and lines up with some support right around this area at about $1.24, $1.25. Let me drop it in here. So the bulls would need to hold this level, or else that's quite negative for our friend Mana. If we come down, we start hitting this support as resistance, boom, 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 then we could definitely break all the way down to $1.25. However, it could be a bear trap where we simply break down out of the pattern, we consolidate, and then we push back up and we break this level of resistance, hold it as support, and see continuation back up to these levels of resistance, coming in about $3.44. As you can see here, we came up, we hit resistance, we failed to hold the EMAs as support, and we've fallen back underneath them. So if we come up and the EMAs act as resistance and we get rejected and we lose the support of $2.25, that would be quite negative for Mana. Your next level of support would be down here at about 202. If that's lost, then you could see a huge drop. So just something to keep an eye on here. The bullish scenario, we hold that level of support at about 224, 223. We bounce, we break that level of resistance, we come up and we break this high of 281. Then we can head up to this level of resistance at about $3.44. And the bearish scenario here is we get rejected by the EMAs, we roll over, we lose the support, and once again come back down to these lows, which would need to hold, or else you're looking at your next level of support would be these swing highs coming in at about $1.54 for our friend Mana. So crucial times to see if this strong level of support is going to hold here and we see that push back to the upside, or if we simply get rejected, we roll over, we lose that strong level of support, and we would be in a technical target all the way down to about $1.25. However, if we look on the weekly time frame, the money flow did come all the way back down to the bottom section. So if we were to come down, we could also find support here on the 55 EMA on the weekly, which is coming in at about $1.96, and see a little bit of a double bottom on the money flow where we come back down to retest the oversold levels before seeing a big push back to the upside. Now, if this were to be a bit of a fake out to the downside and we push back up, we break this level of resistance, that's when you could see a massive breakout that could take you all the way up to about $4.83 for our friend Mana. As you can see here, we got overextended. We came back down all the way back down to the 55 EMA. We held it as support. We broke above the 20. We came down for a retest of the 55, and then we absolutely exploded. So as you can see here, we got overextended, came all the way back down to the 55 EMA. We broke out. We weren't able to hold the support of the 20. So what Mana may be looking to do is come back down to to retest that 55 EMA just as we did right here, and then see a big breakout back to the upside. If that support is lost, I would target $1.25 as your next level. In the short term here, we are retesting that very strong level with a bullish divergence. So there's a good chance that we'll bounce from this white box and come up and retest 251. And we'll see if we're able to break above it, or we simply get rejected and we roll over once again. But if we can break above it, we hold it as support, then your next take profit zones, in my opinion, about 266 and up here at about 280. So that's basically it for Mana. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci if you're looking to the dollar cost average into your positions. Price of a coffee, 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.